Get to know our designer, Petra, and her thoughts around the design journey. For her, design is to always be on a lookout for the next thing to come, a search to detect and understand needs and their solutions in a way that aim for being increasingly clever, so that we use the resources of this planet in ever smarter ways. Her absolute favorite spot to kickstart the creative process is at Torpet, her getaway on the countryside. Right there in nature, provided with impressions of color, materials, textures just outside the door. Of course, visiting exhibitions and finding inspiration through a more interactive scene as well. But it is in the tranquility of this space she can find the peace and focus to take it all in, to reflect, make her own conclusions, and feed her creativity. She can spend hours in her workshop, gathering ideas and inspiration used in her mood boards, and experiment with color, textures, and formats to start off the first stage of an idea. The heart will always be involved in the creation process when at its best. It is her true wish that the product she has designed will carry some of that emotion into the room, into the home, and speak to the people who live there. When her idea is accepted and her colleagues in sales and product believe that it will meet the specified need in the market, then the transformation into viable products begins. A scale-up of the rough idea into technical properties, programming of production equipment, and recipes for the surface treatments, and calibrating for the right nuances. Kährs professionals in all areas of the product development and production processes take over and use their skills to make sure the final product reflects that basic idea she started out with. A new floor does not just occupy a space, it also narrates a story that will be shaped through the different steps of life. Design is an open-minded and curious journey that can start off from just about anything, just as long as you are open to your senses.